Unraveling the Birdbrain, exploring the insult and its usage. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to unpack the meaning behind the phrase, birdbrain. This is a phrase you might come across in movies, books, or perhaps in a playful conversation. But what does it really mean, and how should you use it? Let's take flight into the world of English expressions and find out. The term, birdbrain, is an informal phrase used to describe someone who is forgetful, scatterbrained, or not very intelligent. It is often used humorously or to lightly insult someone for making a forgettable or silly mistake. The origin of this phrase comes from the old belief that birds have small brains and therefore, limited intelligence. When it comes to using birdbrain in conversation, it's important to note the tone and context. This phrase can come across as offensive if not used among friends or in a clearly joking manner. Here are some examples of how birdbrain can be used. I can't believe I forgot my keys again. I'm such a birdbrain. You left the tickets at home? Don't be such a birdbrain next time. Remember, while it might be a common expression, using it towards someone can be insensitive, so always be mindful of the other person's feelings. It's interesting to note that despite the phrase's meaning, scientific research has shown that many birds are quite intelligent. For instance, crows can use tools, and parrots can learn a large vocabulary. So, while the term birdbrain is used to imply a lack of intelligence, it doesn't reflect the true capabilities of our feathered friends. If you're looking for less offensive ways to tease someone about a forgetful or silly mistake, consider using phrases like scatterbrain or forgetful. These terms are light-hearted and less likely to upset someone while still conveying that they've made a simple error. And that wraps up our look into the phrase, birdbrain. Remember, English is full of idiomatic expressions, and while they can add color to our conversations, they should always be used with consideration for others. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has added to your understanding of English idioms. See you next time for more language learning tips.